everyone, with this video we will demonstrate how to assemble Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite. Before proceeding further, let's take a look at some. To begin, assemble Sub PBA. Assemble Main PBA. Fix and align coaxial cable. Tighten one screw on the Sub PBA. Tighten one screw on the Main PBA. Connect all connectors. Assemble rear case. Tighten 16 screws. Attach cam deco tape. Remove protection vinyl. Attach back glass tape. Remove protection vinyl. Attach the back glass. Assemble the SIM or SD card tray. Do the final inspection. So this is how you can assemble Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite. Hope this video was of great help. Thank you for watching. Important too.